Hello, New York. We're going to take just a moment to cover the numbers of New York people who will lose coverage projected by 2026 under the new health care plan that the Senate is currently considering, and Mitch McConnell is planning to cram that down their throats within the next week or so. Your senators and your representatives all need to hear from you about how you feel about this. So the numbers that we're looking at are state and congressional district breakout estimates done by the Center for American Progress of how many people the nonpartisan CBO, the Congressional Budget Office, expects would lose health care coverage by 2026 in New York if the Republican Trump care bill were to become law. I'd like to let you know where I get what I got. We know that 19 states did not adopt the Medicare expansion, and those have a whole other set of rules down here in the red that don't apply to New York. So we're just going to jump right into the data. So what we have here is the state of New York, and then your representatives are listed by district and name. And you can tell from the color coding that it's also their party affiliations are also marked. You should get a hold of your person of which one your representative for your district, and let them know how you feel about what they're doing with health care. Either way, it's really important that your voice be heard. Let's dip into the numbers. This orange portion here is the non-elderly Medicaid, and the numbers break down. I'll run down here. Adults, 240,000, children, 231,000, disabled, 51,000. Now, Medicaid expansion under the ACA, that's another 474,000 plus, giving us a subtotal of over 1 million people on Medicaid, non-elderly, who are projected to lose their health insurance coverage by 2026. That's less than 10 years away. Now, there's the individual market. This is the so-called exchanges. And there's 137,000 there. They add them up and they come up to 1.13 million people. Now we add the elderly who are projected to lose Medicaid, and that's another 100,000. So almost 1.25 million New York humans are projected to lose your coverage. There's another 664,000 that are BHP enrollees. This is an essential plan. CBO and CAP did not count these for their scoring or for their numbers. So what can you do about it? Well, I have some tools here for you. The first is this website, TrumpCareToolkit.org. And these are the senators who can be persuaded to vote no on what the Senate is currently looking at. It's a nice, New York isn't included on this list, just like California isn't, but several states are, and you probably have friends or family who live in West Virginia, Alaska, in these states. And I recommend that you let them know that they should let their representatives and senators know. Now, if you choose one, you can click to call them right away, or you can click here to send a tweet. It's very convenient. The next I'm going to show you is the House of Representatives website, which makes it really easy. It's www.house.gov. Come down, you click on the Representatives tab, and the states are listed alphabetically. Within the alphabet, these states are also listed alphabetically. And then within each state are the districts and the representative party phone number. This is important. They also have a phone number for an office in the state of New York, which you'll be able to find on their individual sites, and then their committee assignments. To find your senators, it's even easier. The Senate website right at the top has a drop-down box where you can just go on down and choose your state, and it'll tell you who they are, how to contact them, and their phone numbers. That's it, folks. You need to make the calls and postcards. Stop by the representatives' offices. Quick shout out to acasignups.net. Charles Gaba has been crunching everything ACA for a long time, and he's very well respected. This is where I got the charts from. And that's that. New York, take care of business. Get some health insurance taken care of.